Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about four swing trading ideas. Three are cement stocks and one is diamond snacks. That is diamond. Pratap Snacks Diamond YD, the ticker name. So we will start with Star Cement first of all. So we'll discuss the price action when we go to the monthly time frame of the stock. We'll go to the weekly time frame of the stock. We'll discuss its whole price action, multi time frame analysis. A lot of terms I will use throughout this video. So if you do not understand any term or anything you want to ask me, guys, feel free to put it in the comment section that is just below this video. Above the comment section you'll find a related idea section where I've uploaded more such videos and charts for you guys. Now let's get right into this one. Monthly time frame, if you see, there is a strong resistance. The stock is trading at a strong resistance at this area, right? This is a monthly resistance. Now weekly time frame, if you see, the stock just got a strong rejection here, again a rejection from the counter trend line, got a rejection, trying to breach that particular counter trend line, strong rejection again with mother candle, not exactly a mother candle, just a strong rejection here. And then there is a breakout type candle that was forming, but the stock could not sustain that breakout, so it is trading at all time highs. That is a thing, but yeah, the volumes are amazing. These are amazing volumes, but the stock was not able to sustain at these areas. That means the closing is bad, and thus I am going to skip the trade on that basis. But yes, the volumes and the price action, everything was so good that I was making videos on this particular stock. So I thought, as the weekly time frame closed, so there's a point of updation also, that let's update the trade, let's see what's happening in the trade, and let's see what the other cement stocks are doing. Okay, some of them are buzzing actually. Saurashtra Cement, now this one, rather than that one, I liked Saurashtra Cement. Why? Because there is a broadening pattern. First of all, let's make the broadening pattern with the yellow line. What is a broadening pattern? As the name suggests, it's broadening, means it's moving in this direction. Okay, it's broadening. Okay, so how it's making a higher low and higher high formation, but it is going in this tunnel type formation, increased tunnel type formation, like this. Okay, so this is a kind of pattern that the market gives you. Okay, let's remove this line. There is a counter trend line that I've made with the white line. It's on the weekly time frame. We go to the monthly time frame, we can see there is a resistance at the top at this area. We go to the weekly time frame again, we see the resistances are at that area. So the recent resistance is at 141. If you see, the nearest is 141, that is 16%. And if I take a trade here, that will be like 10% giving to the market, 15%. Seems pretty nice to me. The volume has jumped from 500 600k a week to directly to 3 million this particular week. So there is a jump in the volume, also breakout of the counter trend line, also sitting at the demand of the broadening channel and going towards the supply of the broadening channel as per the pattern, and the recent all-time high as a major supply zone. So these are some things that I wanted to share. The next trade idea is India Cement. Now, this is a trade idea. Why I'm sharing it? Because it did give a strong breakaway gap. So this, the stock closed at this area, and now you guys can see there is a huge gap right here that's been formed. Most of the people will say this gap will get filled, but see, yes, that can happen because the stock is trading at all-time highs. It can again get rejected, and if the market gets weak, if the markets are like this, okay, they are just falling. Okay, mid cap, small cap index, they are just falling, then definitely it's going to fill the gap. Nothing can stop it, nothing can stop it, this particular stock or any other stock to fall. But yeah, if the markets are like, they started to fall, then there is a recovery sideways, upside, then there's a fall, sideways, upside, recovery, something like this is a formation, overall upside, overall sideways plus upside momentum. In that scenario, these type of stocks are great to capture. Why? Because these are very small stop losses, like 3%, and they give you really good momentum because the stock has already shown you a great momentum, great consolidation, and again showing you a great candle near the end of the area right here. So that's a strong actually closing, if you see, of the weekly time frame. And this whole gap, it could have just gapped up here and then slowly and steadily, because it gapped up, that was a daily time frame, that means it would have gapped up on Monday. That's why there is a huge gap here. That's why this is the opening, right? Then you guys can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all these days the stock sustained at this level. It never closed below this area, but the market did fell. Okay, but the stock sustained that area. So this is why, that's why I'm sharing this particular stock with you guys based on the bullishness. So two stocks are bullish, really bullish momentum trades. Star Cement and India Cement. They could be like a momentum trade. If you guys can plan a momentum trade, definitely that's good. But a swing trading, that means a trade that you guys need to hold, be patient. That's like a Saurashtra Cement type trading idea. Pratap Snacks right here, monthly time frame. You guys can see strong resistance right here, and weekly time frame. There is a counter trend line that I've thrown from this area, multiple resistances. There is a strong rejection here, but the stock was not able to close above this area yet again, this specific area. I wanted the stock to close above this wick, at least the previous wick that the stock made, and this closing. So if it breaches this area, maybe it shows you a red candle again. That's good actually for us. Or a sideways candle and then shows you a strong candle closing at least this much above. Okay, then it would be a really nice 1:1 type trade or something, if there is space left at all. Right now, if you see the overall pattern, it is saying the counter trend line got rejected, again rejected, again rejected, and it fell. It tried to move up, rejected, created a lower low, but then again it went up, tried to breach the counter trend line. So one, two, three, four, five, six, 4, 5 times touches are there, not closings. Closings are less, but yeah, touches are more here. So it is trying to do that, and with volume spikes in this whole zone. Right, so yeah, that's it for this market analysis video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you face any issues, anything you want to ask me, feel free to ask me. The more you ask, the better your own price action will get. Put it in the comment section, I will answer every one of you there. And above the comment section, you'll find a related idea section where I have uploaded